Most businesses don't struggle because they lack motivation. They struggle because they rely on it. At the start of the year, motivation's high. People say things like, this year we'll definitely ask more for referrals. This year we'll finally fix the follow-up. And for a few weeks, that works. Then reality kicks in. So here's the problem. Motivation lives in the moment. It's emotional, it's temporary, and it disappears the second pressure shows up. Emails pile up, client work takes over, energy drops, and suddenly the growth plan depends on how you feel that day. Now, that's not a strategy, that's hope, and hope is just a terrible growth plan. This is exactly why referrals feel awkward. So when referrals depend on motivation, they also depend on willpower. And when they depend on willpower, well, people basically avoid them. Not because they don't believe in referrals, but because that system makes them feel uncomfortable, makes them feel, awkward. That's not a mindset problem, it's a design problem. Now, what replaces motivation is simple: structure and defaults. Structure removes decision making, defaults removes hesitation. So instead of asking yourself, should I follow up? Your system has already prompted you. Instead of thinking, I should ask for referrals more. Your process creates that moment naturally. No pressure, no awkward ask, no reliance on confidence, just predictable behavior. Now, if growth still depends on motivation in your business, that's the first thing to fix. Not by trying harder, but by designing a better system. And if you want to explore growing your business through referrals in a more calm, structured way, take a look at the link in the comments, and that will take you to a program that I've got, and just take a look and see what you think. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Speak soon.